to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. I am so excited because today we are filming my second Christmas related video. Just like I did with fall, I have created a Christmas playlist for you guys, so make sure to go ahead and check those out. The first video I filmed was all on the Christmas decorations that I did get from HomeSense, so make sure to go ahead and check that one out. But today I will be filming my 3 favorite Christmas drinks. They are absolutely perfect for this time of year. So the first one I'll be showing is my healthy peppermint mocha, and then I'll be showing you 2 of my favorite smoothies. So the first one will be my healthy gingerbread smoothie, and the second one will be my healthy apple cinnamon smoothie. So if you're excited for today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which of the 3 drinks was your favorite. Of course, don't forget to tag me in your Instagram stories if ever you guys do try them out. I would love to see them. Subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. I do post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. And now without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first one we will be making is my favorite healthy peppermint mocha, which is definitely a staple when it comes to this time of year. I have already brewed here a cup of coffee. Don't you guys just love my mug? So let's start off by making the mocha part. So the easiest way to make this is, of course, to brew your favorite coffee. If you prefer espresso, you can do that as well. And then what I like to do is actually get instant hot chocolate. This one is from Healthy Crunch and I absolutely love it because it is 50% less sugar. What I like to do is actually put 2 tablespoons of this in here. Then I will take this hand mixer that I got from Amazon and we'll just stir it up. Next, you want to add your choice of milk. Today I will be using organic unsweetened almond milk, but you can go ahead and use cashew milk, oat milk, whichever one is your favorite. Next, you need peppermint extract, and you only need a tiny drop of this. I'm telling you, a little bit really does go a long way. So what I like to do is put just a tiny bit into the little cap, not directly in the drink, just in case you do mess up. Once again, we will just mix it with this. And honestly, that is it. Super quick, and this is healthy for you. Now, of course, we are going to be adding some toppings that might not be the healthiest, but of course, during this time of year, you have to reward yourself a little. So what I like to do is actually go in with just a little bit of real whipped cream. And then, of course, you need to get some candy cane. So I did take a full one and I cut it in half. So we will put one in like that. And then I did crush some. So we'll just put it on top like this. Who needs Starbucks when you have this drink? Doesn't it just look amazing? And the best part is that it tastes amazing. Moving on to the next drink, the first smoothie that I will be showing you is a personal favorite, and it is a healthy gingerbread smoothie. So the first ingredient that you will need is, of course, a banana. Try to get the ripest one, just because the more ripe it is, the sweeter it will be. The next 2 things you will need, I kind of already prepared them here, but it is half a teaspoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Don't put too much ginger because it is very strong, and putting too much will make it very spicy. When it comes to the almond milk, you can put more, but I just find that if I do put too much, it'll kind of just overpower the whole taste. Next, we'll go in with 1/4 cup of rolled oats. Next, we'll go in with our seasoning, and of course you can use all of these individually, but my little trick is just to use pumpkin spice, because in here you already have cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. Something that is also good to add in here is clove, but I'm personally not the biggest fan of that, so I just like to go in with this, and you'll add about half of a teaspoon. Next, you are going to go in with oat milk, and for this one I do suggest you going with oat milk specifically, just because we are already using using oats, so they do go well together. But of course you can use almond milk or whichever milk you do prefer. And I will go in with about half a cup with this. Honestly, you can choose how thick you want your smoothie. If you do want it to be a little more liquid, you can add more, and if you want it to be thicker and maybe make it in a smoothie bowl, I would just go with a 1/4 cup. And as you can see, when it comes to this, I don't really measure it, I just kind of eyeball it. And the last thing is just a couple ice cubes, because I do prefer to have my smoothies cold. Now let's go ahead and blend it up. So my camera just stopped filming, but thankfully I realized right away all I did was pour this into my glass, and then I was just saying that you can go ahead and add just a little more pumpkin spice on top, and there it is. Honestly, this is so amazing, and just, I know I've said this a couple times already, but it really is perfect for the holiday season. Moving on to our final smoothie of the day, we will be making a healthy apple cinnamon smoothie. Of course, the first ingredient you will need is a red apple. Fun fact, my favorite apple to eat is actually Macintosh, but when it comes to cooking and baking, my favorite is to get the Cortland, just because it is a little more sweet. So I do recommend getting this type of apple when you are baking. Of course, I did go ahead and wash it. Now I am just going to cut it all up and put it into our bowl. Next, you are going to take half a lemon and squeeze it directly in here. Just because I love lemon so much, I am going to go with the other half. It also depends how much juice your lemon actually has. I would aim to go for around 3 teaspoons. Next, you need half of a banana. Next, just a drop, once again, of vanilla extract. So I like to put just a little bit in my cup. I would say about half a teaspoon worth. Really not that much. Next, the liquid that we will be using for our smoothie, of course, has to be real apple juice. So once again, I can't really give you a specific measurement because it really does depend how thick you want it. But today I will be putting about half a cup of apple juice, and the final ingredient you will need is cinnamon. Once again, about half a teaspoon. This is optional, but I will add in just a little bit of ice as well. Now let's go ahead and blend it up. It smells so good. Wow. Let's add a little bit of cinnamon right on top. And add in a little cinnamon stick. And there you have it. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing, and I just can't wait to drink this. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you try them out. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!